We're going to make our Thousand Island salad today. Welcome to FoolyFun. Come on, let's play. We got some lettuce, baby tomatoes, what's this again? Croutons, another tomato, but not a baby one, cucumber, and onion, some cheese, which is for pizza, and some carrots, and last but not least, some bell pepper. This is mayonnaise, ketchup, pickles. I asked my mommy to cut vegetables. Look at all the vegetables. Mommy, cut it up. Look at how colorful they are. This is our lettuce, and we have to wash it before we use it. Open time. Got it. I did it. Alright, time to whip the lettuce. Put the fudge. Put the cheese. Time to pick some leaves. See which ones are bad to throw away or just keep it out of the bowl. Bad, ripped, bad. That's how a bad leaf looks like. Alright, it's supposed to be green and light green. It's supposed to be white a bit and green and light green. And not parts that are black. Okay guys, we only put green and white parts. It's not really bad, guys. This is healthy for you. Look guys, is this bad? No. This whole thing bad, Mommy?
No, it's good.
Good?
It's good for you.
I think it's good. Guys, let's get this lettuce stuff broken. It's falling in, guys. Woo! It's on the wet now. This is good. Rip it all in there. Remember that video I made eggs? Guys, that was a long time ago. And we're about to move to Esther Grandma's. It's really far away. My hands are getting tired, Mommy.
Do you want help?
This part is bad.
Yeah, we don't use that part.
Yeah.
Do you want help?
Yeah. It's the whole thing. Look how much I got. Alright guys, this is a full bag of sliced carrots. And we're going to put one handful in this bowl. Let's go. One handful. Woo! That's a lot of carrots. Gonna get it everywhere in there by mixing it up. It's getting messy already. My hands are getting more wrinkled, guys. Let's go. Some tomatoes, cucumber, onions, bell pepper. This is red. Yellow, white is onions, green. We already passed red, but this is not bell pepper, it's tomatoes. Let's go with the tomatoes first because I said tomatoes first, right? So let's go. Second is the cucumber. Let's push it in, guys. There's a bit of onion next to it, but it's fine. Cucumber too, because it was next to the cucumber. Here we go, guys. Just 2 more pieces. All right, we're done. Second is cucumbers. That was easy. And onions. Last is the bell peppers, both of them at the same time, because they're both bell pepper. Ooh, my hands are going mess. From clean to mess. we're going to eat the salad when we're done, guys. Let's do both of them at the same time so we don't waste time on the clock. For bedtime, anyway. Alright. We're almost done, guys. Alright, just 2 more pieces left of bell pepper and it's yellow. Done! The whole board is gone. How much tomatoes do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I knew there was 7 here. Now let's dump them in. 4 left because there's 7. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 tomatoes. There's no half of 7, but there's half of 8.
What's half of 8?
4! Alright, now we're gonna do tuna. Well, this is the slow part of doing tuna. Don't need that. Alright, this is for me if it doesn't dump out. We have 2 things for a salad. You can use 2 spoons or 2 forks if you don't have it. Let's go. Let's go mix it time. Let's get it deep in there. Mix. Mixing robots, run away. Run away, guys. Mixing robots. Ooh, that's a nice salad we got on the camera. It says 18 REC, which is record. But it says Rick for record. That's a lot of lettuce we got. Make sure you don't get it out of there, Mommy. Woo, we're done with the salad. It's my turn to taste it. First, I'm gonna dump the cheese in. Ooh. Before the croutons, here's some cheese. We had a little cheese left from the pizza. These are croutons and they go on top of the salad. Give it to me. Now we gotta stir it up again. Don't we?
Yep.
Alright, here I go. Do I have to eat with big spoon and fork?
No.
What do we have here then?
It's just to mix it.
Mixing bots. We're going to make Thousand Island dressing. And that's going to be so yummy. First we take 1 scoop of mayonnaise already. And my mom already cut pickles. Ketchup is less thing. Turn that down, Abigail. Oh.
Okay.
Alright. We decided to put more ketchup and mayonnaise because our salad was giant. You see? That's ginormous, guys. Yeah, that's a giant bowl. That's why we decided a ginormous big bowl. Alright, now time for the hardest part after the stir. It's a taste test after the stirring. Alright. Woo, that's some great salad we got. It's a bit of salad.
Salad dressing.
Salad dressing. This is called Thousand Island salad dressing. My family's gonna eat the salad that I made. By myself, I made this salad. Let's taste it after we stir it. Right, mine.
Is it good?
Why is it named A Thousand Island?
I don't know.
Why does it have a number?
I don't know.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Thank you for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe. I want to do it. Ew. Bye. I'm doing. Ew.
Okay,
I did it.
go ahead. Say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Not that like that. Thumbs up and subscribe. I'm not scared of anything. Thumbs up and subscribe. Subscribe for more videos. I hope to play with you next time. Click on my other videos to watch them. Come back for more adventures.